Hi everyone, and welcome back to another lecture of political science. This section, which exclusively covers all about Western philosophers, their concepts, their theories, ideas, and contribution to the philosophy that comes and is covered under the section of Western political thought that deals with the theories of such philosophers. So today we would begin with the ancient philosopher Plato, who was very well known and intelligent student of his famous teacher Socrates. In this lecture, we would study about Plato's ideal state, that why Plato thought that there was a need of such an ideal state that should be kind of a model for all times. And in this is part one of this series. I hope that studying about Western philosophers would be interesting, and most importantly about Plato, who led the foundation of political philosophy. So let's begin. So in this video, we would study about the political backdrop or the situation and background, that what was going on in Greece at the time of Plato. Okay, so Plato was born in Athens, and at that time in Greece, Greece was going through a bloody warship. That was a Peloponnesian War of 27 years, and that was a war between the two very famous Greek city states, जो कि एथेंस थे. एक ग्रीक सिटी स्टेट एथेंस था और दूसरा स्पार्टा था. तो उसके बीच में लड़ाई हो रही थी उस टाइम एट द टाइम ऑफ प्लाटो. सो प्लाटो वॉज वेरी मच डिसइल्यूजन्ड फ्रॉम डेमोक्रेसी. डेमोक्रेटिक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट वो उनको बिल्कुल पसंद, बिकॉज ही हेटेड डेमोक्रेसी. And Socrates also hated democracy, because that was also one of the reason behind Socrates' death. क्योंकि democratic form of government में अगर आपके पास freedom of speech नहीं है, freedom of expression नहीं है, कुछ भी मतलब freedom of thought नहीं है, so what kind of a democratic state is that? There's a big question that lies on the word democracy itself. So this was the reason behind the death of Socrates. That was the reason that Plato was very disillusioned from democracy, democratic form of government. As Plato was the student of his very famous teacher Socrates, so Plato's inspiration was mostly born out from the Socratic philosophical ideas, because all of Socratic concept, ideas, theories and philosophies are reflected and found in Plato's writing. जितना भी Socrates के जो philosophical ideas थे या theories थी, तो वो as such अभी नहीं मिलती उसकी writings as such, but they are reflected in Plato's writing. ठीक है, because Plato was very much inspired from his teacher. Plato has presented the concept, the theory of ideal state. But before getting into the concept of an ideal state, we have to define the term state. What does state means, and then why Plato presented the ideal state. So state is a term that is derived from Greek term, which the term is polis, which means city states. तो ग्रीस में उस टाइम सिटी स्टेट्स थे, तो उनको कहा जाता था ग्रीक सिटी स्टेट्स. सो ग्रीस वॉज हैविंग स्मॉल सिटी स्टेट्स, एंड जैसे कि मोस्ट फेमस ऑफ देम वर द एथेंस एंड स्पार्टा. तो ये छोटे छोटे सिटी स्टेट्स थे, तो यहाँ से स्टेट का टर्म डिराइव हुआ है, एंड दिस इज़ द ऑरिजिन ऑफ द वर्ड स्टेट इट्सेल्फ. So this topic would be covered in a small videos, as because I feel like this topic should be very elaborately explained, because Western political thought as a subject itself is very difficult to comprehend. So I hope you like the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and we'll meet in the next part. Thank you.